MISUMI, your partner for process-saving maintenance, repair, and operation. When manufacturing mass production goods, the reliability of the production processes is crucial. Machines must be preventively maintained. Defective components must be replaced. Machines for production line must be converted or retrofitted. Greater reliability and increased efficiency through modernization and the constant pursuit of improvement. Any disruption of the production chain can bring the entire operation to a grinding halt, resulting in high costs. As a maintenance and repair employee, the burden is then on your shoulders to get everything going again. Where can you quickly and reliably obtain spare parts? Which preventative measures can you take to avoid additional failures? And how can you ensure the quality of each component as well as the continued functionality of the entire construction? The procurement of MRO goods needs to run efficiently and quickly. Naturally, e-procurement lends itself nicely to these processes. But what makes a good online shop? Whether you urgently need spare parts, or if you just want to be prepared for any situation, there isn't time to waste on evaluating the countless offers available or waiting for approval procedures. Wouldn't a one-stop shop be wonderful here? The MISUMI online shop has millions of products from the MISUMI brand and 1,200 third-party brands, including main Japanese brands and European brands. This means we've already got a large part of your BOM covered. Use the search function to find products quickly and conveniently. Or check out our product categories to find a specific product section. 130,000 items are permanently in stock and are even available for same-day shipping. If one of our standard parts doesn't fit perfectly, they can be adapted in increments of up to 0.01 millimeters without having to produce a drawing part. You can download a free CAD model for many components. You can find 200 ready-made ideas in our CAD library, all suitable for any manufacturing industry. We also offer direct integration of product components with the CAD program SolidWorks. Our EDI and OCI solutions for customers will also significantly tighten your internal processes. By eliminating many time-consuming aspects, internal processes normally ranging from 2 to 3 weeks now only take a few days. Specifically, procurement operation efforts can be reduced by 70%, as well as a reduction in faulty order placement. MISUMI's services make customers' MRO production material procurement process efficient by harnessing the MISUMI QCT model and digitalization, which aims to deliver high quality at low cost with quick delivery times. MISUMI. It's all about time.